Today I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts in Framer. This is a fantastic way to personalize your website design and maintain brand consistency by using your unique typography across your projects. First, you'll want to navigate to framer.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces, as this will determine where your custom fonts are stored and accessible. After logging in, you'll land on your Framer dashboard. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile workspace displayed. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration tools for your workspace, including the ability to manage custom fonts. Once you're in the settings area, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a sidebar with various categories. Click on Fonts to access the Typography Management section. This is the hub where you can view all your current fonts and add new ones to your collection. In the Fonts section, you'll see an Upload button. Click on Upload to begin the process of adding your custom font file. This action will open a file browser window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders to locate the font file you want to use. Browse through your files and select the font you wish to upload. Make sure you're selecting a compatible font format, as Framer supports specific file types for custom fonts. Once you've found and clicked on the font file, the upload process will begin automatically. Now you'll need to wait for the upload to complete. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the font file, this might take a few moments. You'll typically see a progress indicator or notification confirming that the upload is processing. Don't navigate away from this page until you see confirmation that the upload is finished. Once the upload is done, your custom font is ready to go. You can now use it across any of your Framer projects within that workspace. The font will appear in your typography options whenever you're editing text elements in your designs, giving you full creative control over your site's appearance. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom font to Framer, opening up endless possibilities for creating unique and branded web experiences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.